Happy Tuesday, Athens and North Georgia. I'm student meteorologist Emily Kirk here with your North Georgia weather forecast. As we actually take a look at what's going on off the eastern coast of Florida right now, we can see Invest 93L starting to make its way across Florida, and it's going to start to get into the Gulf over the next few days. Now, over the next 2 days, it has a 40% chance of formation, and over the next 7 days, also 40% chance of formation into a tropical system. So a reason for that is the difference between the sea surface temperatures in the Atlantic versus the Gulf. So right now it's sitting in temperatures that are a little bit lower, around 78 degrees, but once it makes its way over Florida, we can see it's going to get into those warmer sea surface temperatures in the 80s and maybe even a few places 90 degrees. So it could increase pretty rapidly. Its winds right now are at 30 miles per hour, but those sustained winds only need to be about 39 miles per hour or above to be classified as a tropical storm. So if you are on the Gulf Coast or in the southeast region of the United States, let's make sure you're paying a little extra attention to the tropics and what's going on in Florida, because model guidance is actually saying once it hits the Gulf, it may even curve into the southeastern portion of the United States. Now we can take a look at what's going on closer to home. We're sitting around 89 degrees here in Athens, and as we move west towards Atlanta, 90 degrees in Lawrenceville and 92 there in Atlanta. As we go a little bit north, we're sitting at around 85 there in Blairsville. They're just a little bit cooler. Now as we head into the rest of the day, 94 degrees is going to be our high, with some isolated thunderstorms on the way. Tonight we're going to see a low of 73 degrees. Those isolated thunderstorms are going to stick around. So let's take a look at what that looks like on our future radar. Around 3 to 5 p.m. today, Athens, that's when you can expect those rain chances really to pop up into those higher percentages. And then as we go into the rest of the afternoon into the evening, we're focusing more on northwest Georgia and what's going on there. Around 10 p.m., those showers and thunderstorms really start to blow up, and then they're going to kind of stick around throughout the early morning hours in Canton and surrounding areas. Then as we go into Wednesday, we're going to be pretty clear, but I would not rule out the chance for maybe a shower or thunderstorm anywhere in the North Georgia region tomorrow. As we go into tomorrow's high, we're going to see a high of 92 degrees with that chance of maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Through the next 7 days, we're going to be seeing that those high temperatures increase into the mid-90s throughout the rest of the week, and that rain chance is not moving anywhere. We're going to see thunderstorms every single afternoon, so make sure you're trying to keep that umbrella on you and you're staying dry. Thank you for watching, and go dogs.